In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to integrate Perceptor IoT, a brand new inline verifier, with new and existing ZT610 printers. Developed by Perceptor Inspection Technologies, it is quick and easy to deploy using no specialist tools. All you need to do is follow these 3 quick, easy steps. The first job is to upgrade your firmware. This enables your printer to work with Perceptor IoT. Then, you mount the Perceptor IoT camera assembly onto the printer. But don't worry, this is a simple job that your reseller will do for you. Having powered up the IoT device, simply enter your license key. This will automatically configure the system to your secure setup. Now, the system is configured and ready to go. Your operators will be able to select a Label Vision template, create a batch, initiate a print run, see all passed and any failed labels, run batch reconciliation, and access all information through the management console. Perceptor IoT comes in Light, Pro and Enterprise license options, making it the perfect choice for all industry sectors, from the automotive and retail supply chain through to compliance-led medical devices and life sciences. If you require any further information about Perceptor IoT, please visit perceptorinspection.com or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.